Good morning, guys. We are now going to Macau. We booked an Uber taxi going to Xiongwan Ferry Station, Hong Kong Macau Ferry Station. So, in a while, we will be in Macau. So, see you in Macau. Take note that there are two ways for you to get to Macau. One is via Xiongwan Ferry Station from Hong Kong to Macau Ferry Terminal, and the other one is through by bus from Lantau Island, which is in the Kowloon area. If you are staying in the Hong Kong Island, it is better to take the ferry from Xiongwan to Macau Port. But if you are staying on the Kowloon side, it is much advisable that you take the bus going to Macau. Take note also that there are two ports if you are going to Macau. One is the outer port terminal and the other one is Taipa Ferry Terminal. Know where to alight. There are two main ferry operators going to Macau. One is Turbojet and the other one is Cotai Waterjet. The journey takes approximately 55 to 60 minutes and there are numerous daily sailings. A one-way ferry fare from Hong Kong to Macau typically ranges from 160 Hong Kong dollars to 211 Hong Kong dollars depending on the time of the day, if it's daytime or nighttime. After buying our ticket from the ticketing office behind me, we will go now to the immigration. Remember that you need to undergo an immigration process to go out of Hong Kong going to Macau, although this too belongs to the Special Administrative Region of China. All you need to do is to show your passport together with your ferry ticket. After clearing the immigration, you can now proceed to the boarding gate of your ferry. If you have luggages with you, no worries, you can leave it at the back end part of the ferry where the baggage area is. And don't forget to take it before you go down. We are now leaving Hong Kong. In a few minutes, we will be in Macau. If you plan to do the day tour in Macau, make sure to get the earliest ticket as possible so you have more time in exploring Macau. So we are here now in Macau. We're going to get our passport stamped by the immigration here in Macau. So, let's go. Welcome to Macau. This is our second time here, but this time we are going to stay for overnight. Last time we were here, it was in 2014 with our family. It's a family trip, but only for a day tour. Before exiting the ferry terminal, you have to clear the immigration. All you need to do is to show your passport just like in Hong Kong. Guys, we are outside the ferry terminal and we are looking for our transport service going to our hotel to check in first. Aside from the taxi, there are also different shuttles in Macau, and these are hotel shuttles. All you need to do is know where to alight or your first itinerary to save your time not to get lost. And the good thing is, it's free. If you book on a hotel where there is no free shuttle, all you need to do is look for the nearest hotel or casino, ride on that shuttle bus, then when you arrive at the casino or hotel, alight, then walk to your hotel. That's it, guys. I hope you learn and you get something from this vlog. And see you on our next episode. Stay with me, fly with me, Firefly.